in 4th grade math, we just wrapped up a long chapter on multiplication and division. So, we had a little bit of time to do a mini unit. So we reflected back on geometry. We kind of revisited what polygons were. And so the boys had the opportunity to play around with geoboards and create different shapes that they think are polygons. Most of the boys haven't been introduced to 3D shapes. So I kind of just gave them the reins and gave them some marshmallows and toothpicks and wanted them to create some sort of 3-dimensional object on their own. They were given a card and then they just kind of had to problem solve from there. As often as I can to kind of incorporate manipulatives where the boys are physically learning and doing whatever that concept is on their own, the better. The structured learning where they can kind of make it their own and show what they know on their own and their independence, they always have more fun with that.